Hello, welcome back to Rambi's Kitchen channel. I was, early on I was thinking of having this on tape, and then I said, oh, there's too much going on and we need to do things in a hurry. It's very difficult to have a camera on, but so I decided not to. But after I finished preparing, or we finished preparing things, especially the rice, and I had a taste of it, and I said, no, I should have this on record. So today is about our celebration of Eid Adha, the Hari Raya Haji or Hari Raya Kurban. We have a spread for us, not just for four of us, but we have a few others coming as well. Today we cannot have more than 20 people at one time, so we have to be very, very careful. We are still under this movement control order. Now, the reason why I have this on tape, as I said earlier, is about the rice. Everything goes with it. We can cover it. I covered lentil before and stuff like that, but let me go through one by one. But let's start with the rice. If you can get in closer. The rice is very, I would say, it's a rather simple way of cooking. We call it nasi minyak, but the outcome of it today is so amazing that made me, I have to have this on record. You will get the step-to-step recipe and how I made it in the description below. Go through my description and I'll tell you what I did exactly as it goes. But look at the rice here. You notice that I use Basmathi, and you see it's very, very grainy. You know, it's a loose grain. It's not, nothing stick to one another. Okay, each grain of rice is its own, and you see the color. A lot of things is afterthought as well while doing it. When I was doing it, and then suddenly I said, oh, what makes that color thing? And I went, oh, I got some saffron in the fridge. So the saffron was kind of an afterthought. So this is nasi minyak or oil rice with saffron and ghee. Ghee and saffron become a very, very prominent feature in this rice. It gives out that very, very nice, very exquisite flavor and texture. And you notice the grain of rice, all of them, they are very, very long. This is Pusat Basmati. Okay, remember description down below. We have here our dal. I'm not sure whether you can get the color. I was using that made in UK dal. Come in a bottle. Okay, this is it. This is the curry that I use. It says specially prepared for a Malaysian company, Watch brand curry powder, product of England. Have you seen this one before? No. Well, somebody was commenting. You can find this readily in the market. I have to do a few things so that the dalcha remain as dalcha. The color was not just right, but here is the dalcha on one side. Okay. Hello. Oh, my first guest has arrived. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, hi. There.
Oh, here. Oh, hi.
Okay.
Hi. I will be the first person to try this one out, maybe.
Okay, come. Are you going to join me?
Yeah. No, I'm not going to. It's fine. I can myself.
Okay, take your time. This is not traditionally made. This is leftover pie filling. It turned into a cottage pie. So, okay, let's have that. And this is one of Zara's favorite. This is chicken achar. Okay, we can do a take on this one of this day. And this one here is the marvelous Sahara's famous beef rendang. Very nice beef rendang. Well, and then we do have something in the kitchen, in standing in the fridge. Here, I covered this one before. This is what happened to our squid, and this is peanut curry squid. So there's a piece of squid there. I can show you there's the tentacle bit. Okay, and this is quite an old recipe. So there you are. Our rice. We have vegetable. We have not cooked yet until we get all our guests in. Okay, let's move. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's try out the rice. I was talking about the rice, so the rice must go first. Very fragrant. That's nice. The rendang, the beef are quite soft, tender. Oh, let's try this one. This is a bit out of the main theme. The cottage pie is basically a meal of its own, but this one here, very nice. Let's try the squid this time. This reminds me of my childhood days. Okay, remember, the only reason I think why I want to have this on record and put up in my channel is because I want to have an excuse of writing the recipe down for you for the rice, only for the rice. So look at the description below and try out the recipe. It gives you a different perspective of having the rice. It is cooked, it is fried. The rice is fried, not washed. There's a few crazy viral thing going on at the moment about frying or not frying your rice. For this recipe to go like this, I do not fry the rice. I do not cook the rice. I fried the rice and then add in water after frying it, and then adding milk and place it in the oven for 30 minutes. Ridiculously delicious. So that's it. Bon appetito. Makan kita teh, okay kah?
Naman.
Which one?
Saya makan yang mashed potato. Adakah itu shepherd pie? Salah, cottage pie. Pandai sih. Okay. Should try. Do it yourself.
Ya rendang. Ya, anti.
Wow. Menamakan bulu masak ya dulu. Tahu SOP saja tahu.
Kita makan nasi di bawah campur dulu sikit aja. Okey. Apa dia cerita?
Macam nasi.
Ada extra tadi.
And I also
Kita ni ada ghee. Nyampur wangi. Dalam ya, dan nasi ya nak. Dan nasi ya, tak macam ada kuning-kuning ni.
kuning-kuning
Okay, that is saffron. Saffron is rempah yang termahal di dunia. 1 gram berapa kan? Lebih daripada emas. Dan okey, situ ialah
Tok YouTube channelnya. Okay kak, subscribe kan. Dah subscribe dah.
okey, Bapak.
237 dah.
Okey, Sani ni aja. Nasi macam ni tu rasa tu.
sebelum makan.
Lima.
Nyaman sini. Kami sudah ya. Ayo apa sudah.